Okay. Now for class 11, we had already done. That is our. We had already write the data in our text file. Okay. We had already written the data in our text file that we had done abc.text. We had created that file and we had written the data there only. Okay. Now our next part is to read the data from there. That means suppose the file name is abc. So abc.txt is the file name. From this file, we want to read our data. From this file, we are going to read our data and we have to print on our screen. That is, वो हमें ब्लू जे में इंसर्ट ब्लू जे में रीड करके लानी है और वहां से हमें आउटपुट शो करना है. कहां पर? ब्लू जे में. चलिए. So first, what we are going to do? Start our program. So abc is our file. Just we will take the file that abc is our file. Now, so first import java.io.star. Import java.io.star. Take one example class read file. Okay, we had taken the class name as read file. Now public static void main, and in that we will create one object of our class file reader. So public static void main. In this we just create our file object of file reader. So file reader fr equals to new file reader. Okay. And now in our file reader, that which file we have to read, and that our name of that file is abc.txt. Okay, so file reader is our class. File reader is our class in which we are just read our file abc.txt. Okay, now buffer reader will take that file name and it will read your files. So for buffer reader, now it will take the input from the file. From the file, this one which file? abc.txt, and that txt is having in the file reader fr. So we have buffer reader, br equals to new buffer reader, and we are just going to set the fr. That means the object of our class file reader we had sent here. Now take another variable string. Suppose we had taken the name in the file name. So string name equals to empty we are taking here. This is the for empty sign. Okay, string name equals to empty. Then we will provide the loop till your name is not become the null. Till that we are just executing our loop. Okay, so now while in this we are executing till our condition will not become false, that is your name. So name equals to file, your buffer reader object is br dot read line. So buffer reader object is br, so br dot read line. So what we are doing? We are just holding variable name equals to we are taking that file from the fr, and fr is having the abc.txt. So name equals to br dot read line. Okay, now name equals to br dot read line. So here we are getting br dot read line. We are taking the input from that file to a variable name. Okay, if you are able to understand, name is the variable that is taking that readable, that is reading the name from the file fr, that is our abc.txt. So while name equals to br dot read line, that means here we are just getting the name equals to br dot read line, we are just getting the name. That means जो आपका br dot read line है, जो भी इनपुट देगा वो हमारा किस में आ रहा है? हमारा नेम में. और वो इनपुट कहां से लेकर आ रहा है? abc.txt से. ठीक है. और अगर वो हमारा नेम br dot read line, सपोज ये br dot read line का जो नेम है, दिस इज योर वन टेक्स्ट इज कमिंग, दैट इज द नेम, जो भी आपका इनपुट है वो नेम में आ रहा है. इफ इट इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू नल, if it is not equals to null, अगर वो null के बराबर नहीं है, that means there is a data present in our abc.txt. ओके, जो हमारे पास डेटा होगा वो txt फाइल में abc.txt फाइल में है, ठीक। एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू, वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू प्रिंट दैट सिस्टम आउट डॉट प्रिंट ln your name, print ln your name. And what is the name? The variable name is holding the, what is the variable name is holding, जो वहां से जो भी रीड हम करके लेकर आ रहे हैं अपने डेटा को, वो हमारा हमने किस मारा है, नेम में। और अगर वो नेम br.readline अगर वहां पे कोई भी डेटा नहीं होगा तो br.readline आपको क्या क्या देगा, एक नल वैल्यू देगा। एंड इफ योर नल नेम इक्वल्स टू नल है, दैट मींस नल नेम इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू नल। लेकिन उस केस में क्या हो जाएगा, नल इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू नल, दैट कंडीशन बिकम फॉल्स, और वो आपके लूप से बाहर आ जाएगा। दैट ऑफ कब होगा, जब हमारे पास कोई भी एलिमेंट हमारी abc.txt फाइल में नहीं होगा तब। देखिए यहाँ तो है, तो यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा आपका system.out.println name, your name will be get printed. And after that what we are going to do, we are just close our all the br.close or fr.close. After that your main is closed, your class is closed. From this you will get the, you will read the data from your file abc.txt. Done? Are you able to now do this? You have to do as a in your house, in your file, in your lab, in your computer, on a laptop, or if you are not able to get, then you can ask me. But here you can get the answer. Okay? So remember, this is your name of the file. So while you are executing only this program, ठीक है, while before you have not written the program, so remember first you have to write, you have to create one file. So just go in any of the drive, just create the file abc.txt. Then here your address will become D drive abc.txt. So the same address you are having to send here, ठीक है। और अगर यहाँ पे सेंड नहीं करना चाहते हो, then you will take one name string fn equals to send that name here. यहाँ पर उस एड्रेस को लिख दो, फिर fn will be passed here. Okay, file name. So if this is your way how you will write. So file reader fr equals to, you will write here and put all the things in a try catch. Put all the things in a try catch. यहाँ तक आप अपना पूरा try catch लिखिए। यहाँ पर आपके try close, after that your catch, then your catch open, catch closed. Don't need to write anything here. Then your main and class is closed. Okay. So this is your program to read the file and write the file from the text one. Tomorrow we are going to discuss to write the file in our binary, but that is not able to see ना, हम लोग उसको समझ नहीं सकते। Again we will just write the file. Let's see, so tomorrow we are going to do that. And for today, your classes, your video is there. Just do it in your laptop also. See what the output will come. Okay. Thank you.